Welcome to Room Brothers. Let's start dismantling the Suzuki Gixxer SF, the project that we have announced on the channel, as the spare parts have started to arrive. So don't mind the bad lighting out there, 9:1 aspect ratio and the background noise. I had to get the work done. I'll take care of it next time. So shall we get on with it? So the next episode is going to be even more interesting, and I'm going to talk about how to maintain the fairing of your motorcycle in a pristine condition. So subscribe to the channel, learn from the content, and keep enjoying your machine. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.